right up. Go get it.
See where it is?
Wait! Yeah! Right yeah! Landed on the leg!
It broke the legs.
Yeah, probably broke all four of them, but it's still standing up. Awesome motors. Awesome. You're the man, buddy. You're the man.
It's still smoking.
That was awesome.
Watch that blue. Good job, man.
Nice cloud of dirt on the bottom. Oh yeah. How is it?
One leg pull.
Just one leg?
Just one leg.
Oh man,
That's it.
that's awesome.
Oh man.
That's awesome.
I can't see that either.
Yeah, see the spin motors even go off.
Spin
Put
motors
the igniter in.
Yeah, they all formed that.
Is that?
Oh, they did?
It's got to go in there somewhere.
It didn't go all the
Oh, I
way
was
in.
talking about this.
There you go. Thank you.
No.
I can't see that close. Yes. And then I'll see it not come out.
Okay.
I cannot see that close.
Wow, that parachute even laid up
I
good.
had to jiggle it.
Yeah.
That was good.
What piece is that for?
Thanks, Kim. Right here. Oh.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Tighten cord. Get back down. What? Is the screen supposed to be off?
Huh? Yes. Look at the viewfinder.
All right, ready? 1,
Happy
2, 3.
team. Except Jerry.
Oh, that was beautiful. That nose cone. That nose cone is perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Just beautiful.
Next time, you gotta do a blue one.
Yeah.
You gotta do a blue one in the nose cone too.
No, it's
Or
okay.
red.
We'll put nose
Super
cone.
Polish Robo.
Oh, that was cool.
That's easy. The Super Polish Robo? Do a red flame nose
Say
cone?
goodbye to me. Bye.
That's
See ya.
easy.
You take out Scotty's
show,
tripod back.
No, I didn't.
Never even came out, did it?
Does anybody want to ride that? You did good. You did good.
I mean, look what the pictures look like.
Oh,
man.
That's because all the smoke stayed in. All your smoke stayed in.
Well, that's okay. It did the job.
Probably just went up and fell down again, huh?
Okay, everybody watch your face.
Yeah, there's gonna be.
Yeah, there you go. Smoking.
Well, don't put that on the
How much
can.
powder did you have in
We
there?
don't have to paint the whole thing, all right?
12
And it was perfect.
That's amazing. All you have to do is build a new light.
M2200s!
Four skids? That would be awesome.
That's too cool.
No,
Can they fit in there? I don't think so.
No, 2200s are
Oh,
look at
40 inches long.
that long.
They're 40 inches.
That's the best ever.
You'd have to